Let's do one more exercise in SolidWorks. Let me check. All dimensions are in millimeter. Undefined chamfer 2 millimeter and undefined corner fillets are 5 millimeter. Okay. Now there is a dimension tolerance are in accordance with GB. GB is actually a Chinese standard. Geometric tolerance also here with accordance with GB. The surface roughness is 12.5 micrometer. This is actually required while doing machining. So this is a kind of machined part. You will see here geometric tolerance and roughness also mentioned. So now look, this is the top view. So we will start with the base. Now look, this base 170 by 140 millimeter, and you will see here the depth of base is 14 millimeter. You will see in this section view. This is the section view AA, just half of this. And there is one more view. This is also a section view. This is half section view. I hide the real view for this, but you will see here. Okay, let's start with this. Now corner fillet 18 millimeter, and there is one cutout 30 by 60 millimeter. So let's do this first. Now first we have to define the plane. Unit already in millimeter, gram, second. So I am going to select top plane, sketch. Now I am going to activate center rectangle. Okay. Now click from left mouse and drag your mouse, and you will see now dimension is pop up. So 170 tab key and 140 enter. Press escape key to out. Again I am going to drop down corner rectangle. Now this is 30, tab key 60, enter. Press escape key to out. Now this one you can, now we have to place this one at center. So if you find a midpoint on this line, select this midpoint, hold shift key, press and hold shift key, select the center point and leave shift. You will see this pop up or your left side vertical relation. See, this is fully defined sketch. Trim entity, power trim. Now just press and hold left mouse and drag, and see this area is trimmed. Now we have a fully defined sketch. Extruded boss base. Now start condition we will keep same. Direction 1, this is where it's going to move. Now let's define the thickness 14 millimeter. Look, say okay. Now let me define some color so it looks more visible. This is going to be something like 192 255 0. Okay. Now fillet. Now here fillet type constant size. Now here we have to choose the corner, and here fillet parameters, choose symmetric and radius 18 millimeter. Now I am going to select one corner, all 4 outer corners. See, say okay. If you see in section view, start from back side. Now if you see from back side, there is one circular body. You will see the diameter 60 millimeter and the length is, let's say, 61. Okay. And center distance from here to here, from bottom 95 plus minus 0.2. This is tolerance. Okay. And this is going to start from this plane. If you see, look in top view, this is going to start or parallel to this plane, collinear to this plane. Okay. So select this plane, sketch. Now activate circle. Now I am going to draw 160, enter. Press escape key to out. Now let's make first one important relation. Press and hold shift key, select these 2 points vertical. Now define dimension 95. If I am going to select this one, now here I want to put tolerance, so I am going to choose symmetric, and here I am going to choose 0.2. First I am going to keep none, this one 0.2. okay, now see, this is how we put tolerance here. Now activate extruded boss base feature, and start condition keep same, end condition keep blind, but see the arrow moving reverse direction, so simply click this reverse, make it this side. Now here apply 61 millimeter, make sure it's merged, say okay. Now these two are bodies are separate body, there is no connection between these two, that's why we have here two body. Later we will be converted into one. Now let's come, there is a upper part. You will see if you subtract from 135 to this, you will get 10 millimeter thick of this wall. You will see here also, and comes here. This is 32 millimeter. This is critical. Now if you see this section view, this is front side. Front side this is rectangle, but back side this is circular. See, diameter is same 120 by 120, this rectangular, and this is circular body, but this circular body only up to here, from here to here. This is going to be how much, this one, let's say 10, 48, 58, 60, 74 millimeter total. But out of this, if you subtract 32 millimeter, this is going to be let's say 48 millimeter. Oh sorry, 42 millimeter. So let's do this. I'm going to select this face, sketch, okay, activate corner rectangle, and start somewhere from here. 120, no, not 120. This is going to be little bigger. Now press escape key to out, smart dimension. Now distance from here to here, it's going to be 60. Just I want to explain. Now look here, from bottom to center 95, but this rectangle is 120 by 120, and this is the center point. So if you calculate, this is going to be 60 millimeter. Okay, now this is going to be 120. Fine. Now okay, I am going to select the midpoint of this. Now see this yellow line, yellow point, this is the midpoint of this. Press and hold shift key. Okay, it is difficult to find midpoint, so I am going to activate center line and draw one line. Press escape key to out. Select this line and this mid. Okay, it's already there. Now again I am going to activate circle and draw one circle, touch with this, exit. Now see, this is fully defined. Trim entity, power trim, just press and hold left mouse and drag. Okay, now we have two profile. Extrude. Now I am going to select this profile. See, even I want this section also. Complete solid. Start condition same direction, and here we have to apply thickness. This is going to be 42 after calculation. Okay, all body. Now see, this is become one body because all are connected together. Again select the same sketch, extruded boss base. First in selected contour I am going to select 1, 2, 3. Okay, I want to export this rectangular body now, but from surface I am going to select the surface. Look, This is going to start from this surface, not from back surface. Now here I want to put 32 millimeter according to drawing. Make sure merge result, say yes. Look, this is how we get our shape. Now let's go and make these holes. Now there is a hole, this wall thickness 10 millimeters, so hole up to 71 millimeter, hole 40 H8. This is a kind of tolerance H8. So let's see. Then here also one hole 90 H8, and there is a chamfer. Chamfer are 2 millimeter according to our instruction. And there is one more cutout, diameter 148 millimeter, 16 from here. So I'm going to start from here. Okay, let's open hole wizard. Activate here simple hole. Now standard I am going for GB because this is our standard hole drill size. Now here maximum, if you see how much maximum hole, this is the maximum. So activate show custom, and here make change dimension 40. Okay, keep end condition blind, and here we have to apply depth 71 millimeter. Okay, up to shoulder. Now come down. Here dimension tolerance, this is important, fit with tolerance. Come down. Now user defined, clearance fit. Now here I am going to select H8. See, this is the tolerance, plus minus plus 0.35. This is the exact tolerance. Position, select this face and place at center. So just keep cursor over edge and you will see center point. Press escape key to out and you will see. Okay, now we produced hole here. Now similarly I am going to apply hole here, hole wizard. Simply hole, GB standard drill size. Now here 90 millimeter. Okay, now depth I am going to choose 16 millimeter up to shoulder. Clearance fit H8. Okay, for this diameter, see, tolerance is 0.054. Position, select this face. Now I want to place at center, so let me change view. Keep cursor and you will find center point. Press escape key to out. Okay, this is fully defined. Okay, now let's make a center hole. So right plane, sketch. Now I am going to select line. Draw one center line. This is important. Okay, let's make this line construction. Again select line. Exit. Smart dimension. Now distance according to drawing 10 millimeter from this end, 16 millimeter from this end, and the diameter is going to be 100. If move cursor outside, you will see diameter. If you move upper side, it will show you radius. Diameter 100 millimeter. Okay, let's go. Go to feature, activate, revolve, cut. Now due to this construction line, this profile is open. So system asks, would you like the sketch to be automatically closed? Say yes. Now axis of revolution, this construction line selected as a axis of revolution. Now how much degree you want to cut? 360. Okay. Now I am going to say front right plane section view. Okay. Now you will see this is what the cutout we need. Fine. Now you will see at bottom there is one cutout, 10 millimeter, 10 millimeter, and you will see this diameter is collinear with this. It means the diameter is 120. This fillet we will apply at the end. And depth is 48 millimeter, 10 millimeter from here. Fine. Select this face, sketch. Now I am going to select circle. 120, enter. Fine. Again apply line. Connect to this. Press exit. Again activate line. Connect to this. Press escape key to out. Fine. Make sure lines are vertical. Smart dimension 10, 10. Now from bottom also I want to close, so connect, activate line tool and connect. Trim entity, power trim, and just remove upper lines. Now see, we have a close profile. Okay. Now extruded cut. Here offset condition, I am going to set a offset condition 10 millimeter. You will see this is moving from outside. So just reverse the arrow. Now this is moving 10 millimeter away from this plane or face. Now internal depth, according to drawing, it's 48. Fine. See here. Okay. Now let's check section view. Fine. Look. Now look, this is what I want. Now let me activate chamfer. Here choose type, angle, distance. Here chamfer parameter 2 millimeter 45. This is the dimension. And now here item to chamfer. I am going to select these two edges. See. Now if you see from top side, there is 4 number of counter bore holes. See. 134, 108. And this is the dimension. 4 number of holes, 14 diameter through all. Counter bore diameter 28, depth 2 millimeter. See, this is the machine surface finish. Hole wizard. Now here I am going to select legacy hole. Now here type, counter bore. Now diameter, okay, 14 already there. Depth also 14 I want, because this length is 14. Counter bore diameter 28, depth 2 millimeter already there. Okay, we don't need to define any dimension because already we defined here. Position. Now select this face. Now just move cursor and select this, move cursor over edge, and you will find center point. Press escape key to out. Now look, this is fully defined sketch. Say okay. See. Now you will see there is a one hole 10 diameter, but this is also 22 diameter, 32 millimeter from here, and distance from this upper edge to center line is 33 millimeter. So let's make this also. First we have to create a plane, then there is a hole. So let me select the reference plane is top plane. Now here 95 is center plus 33. 128. Say okay. Now select the plane, sketch, activate circle. 22. Enter. Press escape key to out. Now let me define center point to here 32. Hold shift key, select these 2 points vertical. Now look, our drawing seems fully defined. Okay, let's extrude. Now look, this is moving upper side, so just change direction. and here choose up to next. Okay, I will show you what will happen if we choose up to next. This is going to extrude up to next surface or next body. Say okay. Look, select this face, sketch circle and make one circle at center, diameter 10. Escape key to out. Now let's check this is fully defined sketch. Extruded cut feature. Now here in this condition also I am going to choose up to next. Up to next means this inside wall. This inside surface is the next of this surface. Say okay and look. Now click on plane, hide it. Section view. Okay. Now look. This is what we achieved. Now you will see there is a rib 35 millimeter from this corner and the rib depth is 10 millimeter. You will see clearly here. Then there is also one cutout here. See, these rectangle you will see 120. Then bottom you have to cut. This depth, if you are going to calculate from here to here, this is going to be 6 millimeter. You will see 10 plus 48, 58 plus 66, 74 millimeter. If you see 48 plus 20, this is going to be 64 minus 74, this is going to be 6 millimeter. Okay. Select this face, sketch, activate corner rectangle, and I am going to connect this. Smart dimension, distance from here to upper 120. Extruded cut. Now not up to next, depth 6 millimeter. See, right plane is suitable for rib. Sketch, activate line tool. Now start from this end point to connect somewhere here. Smart dimension 35. Look, it seems fully defined sketch. Rib. Now you will see the arrow. Arrow is moving wrong direction. Flip material size. Now arrow moving towards body. Thickness keep both side. 5 millimeter one side, 5 millimeter other side. 10 millimeter. Say okay. Now look. See, the rib is created. Now we have here a fillet, corner fillet. 4 number of corners are 5 and rest all 5 millimeter, and one mention here 3 millimeter. See, just notice where the locations are there. Inside this one, this is also there, here also. Okay. Fillet, constant type fillet. Here in symmetric 6 millimeter, and item to fillet I am going to select these 4 edges, because these 4 edges are only 6 millimeter. Rest all okay. Again activate. This time I am going to choose 3 millimeter constant size and only select this one. Now again, now this time I am going to choose 5 millimeter constant size and let me select 1, 2, 3, 4, now let me select this one also. Select the possible inside. Okay, Let's do this. Again fillet. Now same 5 millimeter, let's select this end. Now this is going to select hole, see, and select this inside. This is also 5 millimeter. That's it. Section view, okay, right, normal view. Now according to drawing inside, see, these are fillets. Even these two corner also have fillet, this corner also have fillet, okay. Okay, choose front, normal. Now look, this corner also have fillets, this corner also have fillet, exit. Now there is a 4 number of holes. Look here, 90 by 90, M10, depth 10 millimeter, diameter 8.5, 10 millimeter is thread depth, okay. 4 number of holes you will see in section view. First I am going to create a sketch so that it makes ease for us. I am going to select center rectangle, the best way. Okay, 90, tab 90, enter. Now from before going to say okay, here choose for construction, exit. Now go to hole wizard. I am going to select here tabbed hole, see, standard GB, okay, tabbed hole, not bottoming hole, because we don't want to make throughout hole. M10, not throughout, blind, depth 10, and up to shoulder, not up to tip. Thread also up to 10 millimeter. Choose this one because thread with call out, thread with countersink unchecked. Position. Now select this face. Now see, tool is activated. Now place at corner 1, 2, 3, 4. Press escape key to out. This is fully defined sketch. Okay. Go to option, documents property, detailing. Here activate shaded cosmetic thread. Now look. Now let me click and hide the sketch. See the. If you want to make drawing for this, just write in comment. I'll make a tutorial for drawing, how to make the drawing for this. Don't forget to share and like our video, and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching.